Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just want to quickly share my risk management system that I do, that I learn from the market, I learn from the experience, risk management system that I apply that kept me not to overtrade or do more, that kept me neutral in trading, that kept me to be trading in a way it's supposed to trade with the help of knowledge, not with the help of I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this my risk management system that I have learned and I have been applying and I have been seeing results. So in the market, I do everything with the help of knowledge, not with the help of my decision. Everything I do in the market, I do it with the help of knowledge. First thing when we are talking about risk management, when we are talking about risk management is having the stop loss, setting your stop loss. This help you to lose little. Maybe I'm going to show a screenshot right here that will show an example of what I'm talking about. Setting of stop loss require you that if market reach this level, stop me out, I can accept these losses. So with the help of it is the help of knowledge from proper risk management that you have already calculated. It is from there you are going to be having it in mind that I'm going to be setting this particular place. Once market reach this place, stop me out, I'm satisfied with these losses. This is the importance of stop loss in every trade you took. I'm going to show a screenshot that we explain that one right here. The second one is that have a fixed lot size. When you have a fixed lot size and the how many trade you are taking per day, how many positions you are going in per trade. Let's say you have a fixed lot size of one standard lot and you go in with one position all the time. So with this now, if you incur losses and incur profit, everything will be at normal, because it is when you are trading 1:1 or 1:1, if you are trading 1:1, there is high chance of you not profitable overall. But if you have a fixed lot size, fixed position that you are opening per trade, let's say per trade you are opening one position and you have a fixed lot size, when you use your fixed lot size to catch 1:2, next time if you win 10 trade and you lose some trade, you still come out profitable, because if you win one trade and you lose one trade, you are still left with 1:1. So with this, have the fixed lot size and fixed position. So next thing I'm going to talking about is do not overtrade. What I said earlier about have a fixed lot size, it is the same thing I'm going to be replicating in this do not overtrade. Once you have already have a fixed lot size and fixed position, you have already calculate what you have already have the knowledge what is going to help you against to be overtrade. So once you have already understand this, that if I have a fixed lot size and have a fixed position, this is what I'm going to be replicate over time, and this is when consistency trader talks about. This is when consistency is going to come in. You have what you are replicating over time. So with this, you don't have any problem of thinking about how many trades I'm going to take. Just have fixed lot size and fixed position. And after that, after having fixed lot size and fixed position, so with this now you will have it in mind that every trade that I will be taking one position per trade, or one position per trade and 2 trades per day. You can have this. Once you have this, you are good to go. Next thing I'm going to be talking about is risk management or risk limits. This risk limit I'm talking about, you will have already have it in your mind that I am going to be risking 0.5% of my account or 1% of my account per day. Let's say per day, 1% of my account per day, depending on the type of trader you are. If you are a conservative trader, you want to be trading gradually and combine profit consistently, or you want to be taking high risk. So you calculate this about how many percent I'm going to be risking per trade. So now if you calculate how many percent I'm going to be risking per trade now, and if you can calculate it. This is the way I calculated it. I calculated how many percent I'm going to be risking per trade now. Let's say I want to be risking $50 per day, and $50 I want to be risking per day now. I took first trade, I'm risking about $10. Second trade, I'm risking, I've already have a fixed lot size. So it's not that I'm going to be changing my lot size to be risk everything at all, but I already have a fixed lot size. Once I have my fixed lot size that I use every time, if I enter with this my fixed lot size, my fixed lot size, the first trade might come out, I will be losing about $15. Second trade about $20. That means it's $35. That is $35. You still have remaining left of $15 to risk. And if you want to still take the risk, you can still risk that amount. So with the help of this fixed lot size and have a threshold of what you want to risk per day, you can trade as you want. So one position, you will just know that this is one position, and I'm one position and want to open one position on a single trade. So with this, have a fixed lot size. Once you have a fixed lot size and you have a loss limit, you can calculate everything. So one more thing if you are over trading, one more thing I want you to know about it, that once you firstly need to get your strategy. Let's say if you have already get your strategy now, so this thing can help you. Next thing I want to talk about is that risk management. About this risk management is very important, because this is why most traders get it wrong. Because without solid strategy, you will not apply any risk management. But if you have a working strategy, that you know that if I am going on this trade and I break even it, or I took a loss, I still have a working strategy that I can replicate the second day that will bring me profit. So this is what you are supposed to have in your mind. Next thing I'm going to talking about this risk management is that I've talked about setting stop loss. I will also talk about break even or tightening of stop loss. Most people break even or tight stop loss based on the number on their mind that they don't want to lose money, but that is not how it is being done. Stop loss and break even are being set by structure. I'm going to show a screenshot right here that will explain when to break even and when to set stop loss. You set everything. Break even and stop loss are set based on structure. Market can go 1:1 and come back to your entry and begin to go to your 1:2. But if you have already tightened stop loss or break even with the number calculated on your mind, you are going to be stopped out. So with this, you are going to take unnecessary losses or go home without losses or profit. So if you are setting your stop loss based on structure, the only time market will just come back to hit your stop loss or break even is that when market is full at time. But if you set your stop loss based on structure, you can hold for as long as you want. Currently now, for Monday, I'm holding a trade on USD CHF and USD JPY. I'm still holding the trade now. The trade is still active. I'm still holding it because I believe in my system. I believe in my strategy that I'm using, that I've been able to refine. I'm using trend line based system. I've been able to refine it over time, and I have belief in it. All the trade are in my Telegram channel. The USD CHF and USD JPY, I'm holding it for like two days now. The trade analysis inside my Telegram. The link will be in this video description. You can check it out. And the platform I'm using is Good Funded Trader. The link will be in this video description. So if you are new to the channel, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and comment below. Last thing I'm going to be talking about is that you knowing about having your strategy, know about technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and you combine these two together. After combining these two together, and you also have to have a specific, although most people say choose one pair to be traded, but like me now, I have 9 pairs in my watch list, and I took maximum of 2 trade on them, 2 trade on everything, and analyze everything. So you now on your side, you're supposed to have your technical analysis and fundamental analysis knowledge. After having this, move on to your trading field and start backtesting and look for a pair that work with your strategy, that you can easily insert your strategy inside it and get it done. So after that, you have a fundamental analysis knowledge, technical analysis knowledge. With this that I've stated in this video, just combine it together and you will be managing your risk. And before you managing your risk, just calculated that this account, I have a $500 account now. Calculated that if I am using $25, if I'm risking 0.5% per day or 1% per day, how long will it take me to hold this account? If you calculated this is going to help you. If you calculated that I'm going to be risking this so amount per day, and calculated this, if I'm losing every day, it is going to take me about this so long, and that is not, if you have a working strategy, that's not going to be work. So I challenge you now, your account balance, calculate your account balance and calculate how much you are going to be risking per day and how long it will take you to hold the account, to blow the account or move or scale up with the account. I challenge you to go and do that. So in this video, I just talk about the risk management that I am applying. In my previous video, I do a video where I talk about my 5K goals for the premium account. This weekend, I'm going to be dropping a video about that on the update on the account. So if you are new to this channel, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, comment it in the comment section. So the problem I can encourage you to use the Good Funded Trader. They are currently running I will show their screenshots right here. They are currently running 40% of 4 challenge, and if you manage to get a payout, trade the account, pass the account and get a payout, you are going to be given one extra account upon getting your payout. And my Telegram link will be in the description, where I drop updates on all the trade that I took. The 2 trade I talk about that I'm still holding, I drop all the trade in my Telegram channel. You can check it out. So do well to smash the subscribe button, like the video. Bye for now.